you guys will be interested, I'll be sharing it with you, of course. You understand? Yes. Now let me take. Should I take us through how? Okay. Yes. Some brief. Yes. So you're going to input a programming language that you work with. You understand? Yeah. And then you're also going to put in the type of labels. So if you are beginning, like if you're beginning, I say, oh, good first issue. And then if you want people who really like need help, you can just add help wanted. And then you can also add stuff like the stats of the repo and blah 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 blah. Yes, ma'am. We're going to keep it like this for the purpose of today. We want something that we can fix really fast and then get over with. Okay, authentication, cache. Uh, I need something that's text only, text mermaid, mermaid architecture. I know how to use mermaid, but I heard it's not really free. I think mermaid is a paid software. So just an architecture, you're going to have to go through their whole. Let me look at. Okay, 0 stars, but it looks promising. Okay, yes. So now when you click that, uh, it's going to bring you to the issues page of that particular repository. Now it's a expand contribution or contributions or MD with a dedicated section for the first time contributors, including step-by-step instructions on how to find and claim a good first issue, how to make a pull request, and what to expect after submitting a PR. Yeah. Oh, okay. I've actually. Oh, I think that's what I was doing just now. Yeah, I wanted to change it because it's like a repeat of whatever you are doing, but who knows? Mm, yeah, so I say what sounds simple enough. Assign me, I'm going to do this. Yes. So I'm going to do this uh, for you know our work. You understand? For the purpose of showing us how to contribute to others projects. I'm going to attempt to do this, and then hopefully I'm going to get merged. You understand? Yes. So yeah. So yes. Now speaking of doing this, so let's go over to the code side. So we go to our code. It's very easy. And now I'm going to fork. Yes. I'll create a new fork. A fork is a copy of a repository. Yes. That will allow you to freely experiment with it without like the changes affecting the original project. Understand? Boilerplate is one of the better ways to do. Yes. Copy main branch only. So we create the fork. Mhm. Yeah. So now we create a fork, like it's like now we have a copy of that repository. Now we are the owner of this particular repository. So we can do basically whatever we want, but it's advisable. So I think we have to do what we're talking about. So they're asking us to add a section for first time contributors, and then what they are going to be contributing, like some steps for first time contributors. People like, I think we have also have people like that in our little group who have not contributed before. I mean, that's the main point of this. So it's actually like a two birds one stone situation. So yeah, let's get to it. I want to see the structure of their uh, architecture features getting started. So dependencies, blah 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 blah. Adding prompt. I don't contributing. Oh, okay. Uh, okay, I think I'm going to take that to go. This is what I was able to come up with. First time contributors follow the instructions, blah 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 blah. Blah. Find an issue, make your change, commit and push. in a pull request. Yes, so that's what we are going to be doing here basically. So now I'm done. I'm pretty much done with the changes that I want to make. Now we go over here to pull requests. So ideally we are going to make our own pull requests. Uh, let's give my internet a minute. All right, yeah. So pull request. Yes. So now I'm going to create a new pull request. So I click new pull request. Yes. Now check image ability says what able to match. Yes. Now it's going to show you, the number of lines that you have changed and stuff. And then also going to make sure that it's also going to make sure that you have no merging conflicts in whatever you are doing. You're not going to break the person's project, even though it's a fork. If they end up approving this your pull request, it's going to end up in their main project. You understand? And I think I didn't also branch this because I mean, what's a README really going to break? I mean, yeah, but to be sure, this is just an example. So let's be cautious in that light. So let's create the request. So title, what did I do? Say added the instructions for okay. Updated updated was contribution dot md. So this is supposed to be like some yes, this is my first in this project here. So this is supposed to be like some short caption. Then you can be more descriptive with what you do. So you say, okay, added some instructions for first time contributors. My God, my hands move faster than my brain. For first time contributors to successfully contribute to MCP base like this. And then we can come down here and we say we create our pull request. Yes. Yes, and that's pretty much it. Yes, no conflicts with our base branch. Yes, that's it. Our pull request has been created. You understand? Our pull request has been created. So now it's left to the maintainer or maintainers if they are playing if they are multiple, you know, those who can have the authority to merge, they are going to go through whatever I did. You understand? So if it were to be code, they are going to read through my code and see exactly what I did. And then if they find a fit, they are going to merge it. You understand? Yes. So now if they actually merge before I edit, they are going to see what a successful merge looks like. But if they don't, to yeah, uh, if they don't, like that's pretty much it. Then you're not going to get merge every time. So I mean, get used to it. Yes. So this is basically the process you have to go through to contribute to someone's project. I would have liked for the contribution to be something about some code or yeah, but that would have taken longer. And then the goal here is to learn it. Yeah. So yeah, have a blast.